Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to give someone access to my Shopify store. Let's get started. So in order to do this, what we can do is we can head over in here on our settings. Now on our settings, we should be able to see the user permissions right here. And as you can see, I'm the store owner. So if we want to add a staff account, I can actually just subscribe. But if you can also add the POS app only staff, and this tabs right here have only access to the POS app and customize your permissions. So you can also turn on this collaborators right here wherein you can actually generate the collaborator request code. So let's head over and open this point of sale right here. And then this will open the staff account after the point of sale or under it. Now in here, you just need to put in here the contact information for that, as well as their email, phone number. Now you can also add in here permissions. So head over and click on the show permissions right here. And you can also allow this permissions that you have. So you can allow them to do some things that you have right here. And make sure also that this POS rules are actually activated. You can also create the new POS rules that you want. If you don't want to give full permission or limited permissions right here, associate, you can create a POS rule. So for example, let's make this title something like finance officer, and then let's make this one the role for this. So for example, let's put a role for this one under the permission or analytics that we have, as well as the staff and settings. So just choose which permissions are actually viable for this position. So for example, let's allow this, and also let's allow this as well as the taxes. After that, click on save right here, and then your role should be good to go, and you just need to share this to someone that you want to add to your store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below, subscribe because this helps reach more people. See you soon.